Thank you, Sunil sir. It is an honor to be a part of BHIM'S, and I convey my sincere gratitude to Sunil Manan sir for giving me this opportunity to take a session on uh, NCRT 6th class geography. So, hope um, students have joined, and let us start without uh, wasting our time. So I was not prepared for this class because I was told uh, half an hour before to take this class. So it would be rather uh, a lecture. It should be a discussion. So the most important point will be discussed here in the class. Basically, I will be talking about the solar system and the position of Earth in the solar system, and basically the structure of the universe. so, uh, so starting from uh, the Earth and Sun, by giving a small example, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ let's talk about the example of a torch light. Torch light ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ use କରୁଛୁ. ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅନ୍ଧାରରେ ଆମେ ଟର୍ଚ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଆମେ ମାରୁଛୁ ଆଉ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ଲାସଟେ ରଖୁଛୁ ଆଉ ସେ ଗ୍ଲାସ ଉପରେ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଟର୍ଚ ଲାଇଟ୍ ମାରୁଛୁ ତାହେଲେ ସେ ତାର ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ଏରିଆ ହିଁ ଦିଶି ଆଉ ପଛର ଏରିଆ ନେଇ ଦିଶେ. That is what the earth also looks when the sun rays directly falling onto the earth. One side of the earth only visible, but the other side is dark at the time. So this is how our earth and sun plays role in our day and night that we see. And the rotation of earth is also a factor of our day and night that we see. ଯେତେବେଳେ our earth move କରୁଛେ, we all know that earth rotate and make a circle of the sun. Sun is the center of the universe, yes, solar system, and all the planets move around the sun. So talking about the solar system, there are 8 planets.
Sir, shall I share the screen? Shall I share the PDF?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing so that it will be easier for everyone to look at that.
Yes.
Okay, you can see the solar system, the Earth in the solar system.
Yes, go down. Yes,
okay.
Go down.
Yes.
Go down. Just go down. Just go down and come to the point where planets are located. Like there are 8 planets. There will be a picture. Just come to that picture, not this. Go down. Yes, this one. So I want everyone to see this picture and relate it to what I am talking about. So the sun is in the middle of the solar system, and there are axes for the for all the planets where they move around the sun. So within the solar system, there are different celestial bodies. There are 8 planets. The The nearest planet to the Earth is Mercury, then Uranus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, uh, Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun, and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter, and there are other celestial bodies uh, called a star is also a celestial body, and there are satellites uh, move around the planets, and we in the Earth we have only one satellite, that is Moon, and um, uh, Jupiter has the maximum satellite. Then Saturn has also some satellites, and so okay, please go up. Please go up. Earlier, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକମାନେ solar system ବିଷୟରେ ନେଇ ଜାଣିଥି direction ବିଷୟରେ ନେଇ ଜାଣିଥି ଯେତେବେଳେ GPS ନେଇଥି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଭଲ ରାସ୍ତା ଘାଟ ନେଇଥାଇ ସେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଷ୍ଟାର କେ ଦେଖିକରି ହିଁ direction ଜାଣି ପାରୁଥିଲେ ଆମର ନର୍ଥ ଷ୍ଟାର ଯେନ୍ ଆମର ଅଛି ଆମେ ତାକେ ଧ୍ରୁବ ତାରା ବି ବୋଲି କହିଛୁ तो से तारा के देखी कर आमे डायरेक्शन अगर लोग माने डायरेक्शन ଜାଣୁଥିଲେ ଆଉ ସେ ହିସାବରେ ସେମାନେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ ତ you you can go up and you can show it to the students that how there are different patterns uh, of stars in the sky. So you can you might have or identify different patterns of uh, the stars, uh, and that is called constellation, the pattern of stars. So ଆମେ ସାନଟା ବେଲେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲୁ ଇଟା ସେ ଲଙ୍ଗଲ ଇଟା ସେ ସପ୍ତର୍ଷି ମଣ୍ଡଳ ବୋଲି ଯେନ୍ ଆମେ କହୁଥିଲୁ that is called constellation. So there are different patterns of uh, stars. So this girl is looking uh, up to the North Star, that is also called the uh, pole star in the solar system, which is a known star to everyone. Then coming to the Earth and its structure, Earth is also known as the blue planet because uh, because of maximum water. You all know that there are more than 70% of Earth is covered by water, so it simply looks blue from the. So that is why Earth is called as blue planet. So what is there are another planet on it is quite look like Earth, and it is called the twins of Earth. That is mm, that that planet is Venus. So this is an important uh, point to be noted, that what this question might come in any exam. So this is the twins planet to the Earth, that will be Venus. So Venus and Earth are twins planets. Then the orbit means the Earth move around the Sun in a particular circle, that is called orbit. It cannot move apart from that circle. That orbit is fixed, and the Earth has to move around the Earth through this orbit. we all the planets have their own orbit, and they move around the sun within through their own orbit. So again, coming to the moon, moon is, you all know that moon is a satellite, and it is a satellite of Earth, and um, um, moon takes around 27 days to complete a circle around Earth. So this is the important point to be known, and I want you to write down this. This might be coming to into your exams, so this point are to be noted. Then, uh, uh, okay, let's go down. I I just want to, okay. This is a method given in the book that you, how you can easily uh, memorize, remember the names of the planets. That is, the line that is given is, my very efficient mother just serve us nuts. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Here, the first letter of the words, there are eight words in the sentence, and every word's first letter are highlighted. So you have to identify that this first letter represents the name of our planets. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଏଇ sentence ପଢୁଛୁ କି my very efficient mother just served us not, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଲାଗୁଛି ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ଇଜିଲି ମନେ ରଖିପାରିବା। ସେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଆମକେ ଦେବା ଯେ କେନ୍ ପ୍ଲାନେଟ କେନ୍ ପୋଜିସନ ରେ ଅଛି। So my first, my very efficient mother, MEM, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Like this, we can remember the name of our planet. So you should note this down, note the sentence first, then highlight the first letter of the words, and you'll be able to memorize the name of this planet. And I want to uh, I am to tell you that the name of the shape of the earth. If I ask you what is the shape of the earth, then what would be your answer? That would be geode. Geoid. Geode is shape of the earth. It is not circular. It is any other shape. It has its own type of shape. Earth has its own type. This is also a very important point. You should write it, and this this question will come in your exams. Then, if I ask you, this question is known to everyone. Uh, uh, let let us discuss some important point. Uh, Rather, this should not be a lecture. Rather, it should be a discussion, as I have mentioned before, starting the session. So let us discuss. So can anyone tell me that who is the first person who step into moon?
Neil Armstrong, sir. I think Neil Armstrong.
Very good, very good, very good. This is a very known question to all of us. That's Neil Armstrong. That's good. Then I want to ask another questions. That is, what is the uh, speed of light. What is the speed of light?
3 into 10 to the power 8 ms meter per second.
3 into 10 to the power 8
8.
meter per second, kilometer per
Okay,
second.
it's uh,
What
3
is your
into
Yes, yes, correct. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
8 meter per second? Uh,
actually meter per second. Sorry.
Actually, all right. That is right answer. That is an right answer. That is right answer. But you can make it simple like uh, 3
Three.
lakhs.
Okay,
3
okay,
lakh,
sir. Yes. 3 lakhs
3 lakh
kilometer per second.
per second.
Kilometer
Yes,
per second.
yes, yes. That is the right answer. That is uh, the speed of the light. So that is the fastest thing that we can see or just imagine. So uh, if I wind up with if I summarize it, then we all know that the position of the Earth in the solar system, and the position of Sun in the solar system. Sun is in the middle of the center of the
Mm.
solar system, and there are millions of stars um, in the universe, and uh, there are millions of um, stars. The millions of stars consist and make a universe, and there is a galaxy. Uh, can anyone tell me the galaxy name of?
Milky Way Galaxy, I think, is that, sir?
Yes, yes, it is Milky Way Galaxy, where our Sun and Earth is located. So there are other many galaxy are there, and the all the galaxy are within the universe. So if we say that all the stars that we see on the sky, that are the parts, that all are the parts of the universe. Okay, so uh, if we see, the sun is the uh,
Star.
thing that we can see or imagine, but there are other many stars more bigger than sun are also there in the universe, and the the most largest that we can imagine, or according to the scientist, they say that the most largest known thing that is called uh, what is called that is called unable to recall it now.
What's that?
Let me
Name of a star is it a name of a star or anything else?
No, it is not a star. It is
Okay.
not a star. Yeah, I remember it. It is the supercluster.
Supercluster.
Okay.
Supercluster, the most largest that we can imagine or we can visualize. You know,
Okay.
if we imagine about the sky, the space, then we may be able to measure it. Or scientists are also not able to measure it. How big is the space, and the universe is? So they have um, discovers this name, supercluster, that is the known most largest space. So I'm uh, I'm just finishing up with this note that we are part of this planet Earth, and planet Earth is located in the solar system, and solar system is in the Milky Way Galaxy, and galaxy is in the universe. So, uh, if anyone have any questions, you can ask. We can have a discussion.
Sir, while we studied these chapters, universe and the solar system,
Yes.
okay, I just want to say that there are some other terminology like asteroid, meteoroids. I think we just have forgotten all that. So I think we should also discuss about that.
Yeah.
Very nice question. Yeah,
Yeah. Good.
right,
Very good
sir.
question.
There are so many terms
Miss,
in the
miss.
standard six. Right, sir. Many many points are also there that should be discussed very holistically, because we are just beginning and we have been
Yeah.
starting from the very beginning class, and it is first
Yes.
class of that NCERT book. So there are some
Yes.
important point are there in this first chapter. So that point or that top words should be discussed here very clearly. Okay, sir, please. And those who remember, please, you can also just ask, put the question to Ramakanta, sir.
All right.
Sir, I have a suggestion. Can
Yes, sir, you
Yeah.
can,
Please.
yes, you can say, no
sir,
problem.
at the last of the session, please make a quiz series at least 10 to 15 questions that to be revised and asked to us frequently, so that it will be more beneficial to us, sir. I'm requesting to all.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, when the session will start, one teacher will definitely discuss of a particular topic, and when time over, then also we rejoin again and question answer will be discussed. Right,
Okay,
sir?
okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So it will be
Yes.
very good. So now Ramakanta sir has completed his course, so that you can ask any type of question.
Okay. I'm answering to these questions.
Yes.
I'm just explaining it to them. What is asteroid? What is meteoroid? And other things like dwarf planet. I met up and I just want to just small mm, small explanation on that. Uh, okay, so
Sunil sir, please share the screen what you have shared just before.
Okay.
okay,
Is it visible to everyone?
yes,
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 sir.
yes.
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 Just come to that picture, the solar system.
Okay, this one. And
Yeah,
at the end of the sentence, it is written, I think, that asteroid, meteoroid, moon. This is.
no, no, no. That's uh, we can identify that in the
Oh,
picture.
yes.
Yes.
This one. Okay.
Here, between Jupiter and Mars, there is a thick line called asteroid line. So these are some of the this is a uh, asteroid where small um, celestial bodies are there. So this is the asteroid, and what is meteoroid is where these are very small uh, piece of rocks. There are small pieces of rocks moves around the space. So that is called asteroid. Sorry, meteoroid. Asteroid are only in between the Jupiter and Mars. They are also in the orbit. They are also in the orbit. They just float in between in the asteroid lines. And dwarf planet is the Pluto is called dwarf planet, which was earlier included in the solar system, but it is uh, now not included in the solar system. It is out of this uh, orbit of this planet, that is now known as the dwarf planet. The What is the dwarf planet? There will be that will be the and the will then answer will be the Pluto. All right.
Okay.
So simply
Yes, sir.
you can simply go through this text and note down. Uh, then um we'll have a question answer session, even if it is not possible to present
Hello.
the other day.
One
Yes.
suggestion from my side. Hello.
Okay.
Please make the static part with the dynamic part. I mean, relate to the static part with the dynamic part, so that UPSC and OPSC mostly ask the dynamic part relate to the static part. So try
I'm sorry.
to mix both things.
I'm sorry to say, but Sunil sir just mentioned it before that we are just beginners. So we are just starting the preparation, and we are just now we are just knowing the exam and the syllabus. So I don't think that we should directly focus on what exactly the main point of UPSC is.
No, I'm not. I'm not telling that. I'm not saying that. Just keeping the static part. Just
Okay.
relate the static part with the dynamic part, so that things will be clear. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
The
Yes,
focus
sir.
must be on the static part. Okay. Let's suppose
For
Asteroid and the
example, sir,
mission
please give
Bennu.
some example. Yeah.
Okay.
What is static and what is dynamic? Could you
Yeah, yeah.
explain, please? Yeah.
Mission Bennu, Asterix mission Bennu by the NASA. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
To study the asteroid mission Bennu. Okay.
Yes.
Like
Got
that.
it.
You
Yes. Yes, sir. Got your point. Actually, I was not prepared for this session. I was just told before an half an hour to take a class. So I was not really what to say and how to this class. If I
and this
was to
NCRT is not updated. Please clear
Yeah.
that part also.
Actually, you are right, sir.
NCRT also
Actually,
not updated.
yes, whatever I sent, it is the latest NCRT. That means the modern, recent, the NCRT is going on. I shared, but I have also old NCRT. I have this old NCRT, and old NCRT there are also other difference thing has been written. And actually, just I came to know that old is very good, really, because here it is written from very elementary things. प्रथमे समबुद्ध कहले इवन कि Aristotle, you might have heard about the name of Aristotle. Aristotle प्रथम कर लिखित भाव रे देले जे
Yes,
हमर
sir.
कोटा पृथ्वी होची सेंटर आ पृथ्वी चारि पटे जन हला मून हला सूर्य हला सब बुलु छथि रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन, राइट. सो फर्स्ट थ्योरी जोटा कि Aristotle से कहथिले, तापर कोपरनिकस ताको भूल प्रमाण कले जे नाही हमर जो पृथ्वी चारि पटे सूर्य किरण सूर्य बुलुनी सूर्य चारि पटे आउ अन्य ग्रह माने
That will be covered in 11th and 12th class.
Yes.
Okay, that will be covered in 11th and 10th class in details. That is given in the 11th and
Yeah,
12th class
element and
NCRT.
yes, there is also given, and in the standard 6 book, and it is the standard 6 books I am holding this, the what class 10 NCRT old book. Okay, after that ताकू हमर कोपरनिकस निकोलस कोपरनिकस को सपोर्ट करले कि हमर गैलीलियो सपोर्ट करले और एक्चुअली हमर जोटा अछि सोलर सिस्टम रो स्ट्रक्चर से देथिले प्रथम करी. तापर आपण सर पढले जोटा कि व्हाट इज सेलेस्टियल बॉडी. Ramakanta sir, can you please define that what is celestial body?
celestial body are those which are in the solar system and beyond the solar system also. Those bodies are in the universe. Like star is also a celestial body. All celestial body. Then meteors, all are celestial.
Yeah, excellent sir. But old hair said it is same thing, which you can locate in the sky is known as celestial body. The celestial word is coming from Latin word. Latin word is celestic ଆସିଛି, celestis ଆସିଛି. Celestis means sky. Sky रे जहाँ भी देखा जाଉଛି ତାହାକୁ celestial body ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଇଥାଏ. Am I clear, sir? Is it correct?
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, sir. Then
Yeah, for
please,
this is,
any other also, you can also put question.
yeah, if any question are coming up, then it will be great. This is the beginning of this um, this journey,
Yeah.
and we have more session on different topics, and we'll come up with question.
માં લાગુ છો કાન લાગુ છો
Sorry, there is a small child just, okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Ramakant sir,
Okay, so
continue, sir. And please, any other, please do ask question to Ramakant sir, please.
or can we ask student
Okay, sir. You can
questions?
also ask question. Who? Okay.
Okay, sir, you ask question. Ramakant, sir, you ask question to us. We will answer.
There are questions in the book itself. We can ask from there. Sir, can you just read out those questions written in the book? Sunil sir?
Yes. Shall I share the screen?
No.
Okay. Whatever.
Okay, I'm asking. That is, how does a planet differ from us? Can anyone answer it? How does a planet differ from a star?
Stars have own light. Planets do not have the light. That depends on stars.
Sir, sir, please, you do not answer it. I know, sir. I know you very well. Let our beginners to give them a chance to answer. Uh, let let let's planet ଆଉ star ଭିତରେ କାଣା difference ଅଛି ସେଟା explain करबाके चेष्टा करो. This is a very basic question.
Yeah.
The star is too much big as compared to planets. Is it right, sir?
Yeah, that is one point.
And
Sir,
star are too far from the sun as compared to planet. Is that, sir?
How it is differ from? Is there any differences? It is what you said is not representing the differences between star and the planet.